Today, we're putting two heavyweight touring tires head-to-head, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus versus the Pirelli Cinturato P7 C2. Both tires promise exceptional performance, but let's find out which one truly stands out in various driving conditions. So, buckle up as we break down their performances based on the extensive 2023 ADAC summer tire test. First up, let's talk about wet conditions. The Michelin Primacy 4 Plus takes the lead with a shorter stopping distance at 36.7 meters, compared to 40.3 meters for the Pirelli. That's a significant 3.6 meters difference, which can be crucial in preventing accidents on slippery roads. Moreover, when facing straight aquaplaning scenarios, the Michelin still performs slightly better, maintaining control at higher speeds. However, it's interesting to note that when the roads curve, both tires perform nearly identically, which is great news for those who face rainy, winding roads often. Switching gears to dry conditions, the competition tightens. Both tires showcase almost identical performance, with the Michelin stopping just a hairline shorter than the Pirelli from 100 kilometers per hour. This negligible difference suggests that both tires ensure a high level of safety and reliability in dry conditions. Now, let's consider wear and longevity, crucial for those looking to get the most mileage out of their tires. Here, Michelin clearly takes the prize, offering up to 61,300 kilometers compared to Pirelli's 39,500 kilometers. That's over 20,000 kilometers more, indicating significantly better durability. Additionally, Michelin tires show lower abrasion values, which not only means less frequent replacements but also less environmental impact from tire wear particles, a win for both your wallet and the planet. Moving on to noise and comfort, both tires stand equal, producing an exterior noise level of 70.5 dB. This equality suggests that your ride will be just as quiet with either tire, allowing for a peaceful driving experience. Fuel efficiency is another key aspect, and here, Pirelli shows a slight edge, being marginally more fuel efficient. Though the difference is small, it can add up for those who clock in many kilometers on the road. To wrap up, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus appears to outperform the Pirelli Cinturato P7 C2 in critical safety tests and wear resistance, making it a standout choice for those prioritizing longevity and performance. While Pirelli does offer slight savings in fuel, Michelin's advantages in wet braking and durability may tilt the balance for many drivers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.